Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cook yam and vegetable. So let's start. We are going to first of all peel our yam. So let us peel it.
Grateful heart for this new day. With Julie.
We have done peeling our yam, so let us wash it. Let's wash our yam.
Blessings coming through the night. Holding hands and feeling right.
This one is our washed vegetable. We have washed it. After cooking the yam, we are going to steam it together with the yam.
Gifts of love and joy so near. Juliet and I both cheer.
Let's check our yam.
Sweet person.
Our yam is okay.
Candles glow and prayers rise. Joy reflected in her eyes. All our hopes and dreams precise.
Let's sieve our yam.
Underneath the endless skies.
Let's add our onions.
Fills every soul. With our faith we stand so strong. Juliet and I belong.
Let's add our medicine. This one is black pepper. We are going to add black pepper to this our food today. This one is ginger and garlic paste. Our turmeric.
Juliet and I both cheer.
Let's add our vegetable. Let's cover to steam.